My name is Jill Mitchell, and I'm a professor of accounting at Northern Virginia Community College. This is a flexible program for working professionals to really enhance their instructional design skills, or for somebody like me to learn instructional design for the first time. You have the opportunity to work with your peers in the program to practice what you've learned, to implement, to design and create solutions to real learning problems and kind of manage the entire design process. My journey after completing the program really gave me the confidence to explore and design meaningful learning experiences for my accounting students. It gave me the confidence to share my instructional design expertise with accounting educators across the country at conferences and giving webinars. I think anyone who works in the learning space will find that this program is exactly what you need at any point in your career, because whether you are an experienced professional that you need to just enhance your skills, or if you need to learn this for the first time, this program is going to give you the confidence to become an expert in instructional design.